So I just started adding some salt, looking through, got some turmeric, and then we went on to paprika. Then the next was mixed herbs, and that is masala spice. I don't know why I put that in there, but yeah. Then black pepper to help with the absorption of turmeric, and I think the last one is cumin powder. That should be the last. Yeah, there we go. Mix. Also, a chance is for manele baking paper because it's gonna save you so much time when it comes to cleaning. So next up, we're gonna add some chicken stock. I made mine the night before, but you can absolutely make yours from chicken cubes and water or whichever chicken stock you prefer. This next bit is a bit of a rookie mistake. I should have added half of the sachet of tomato paste and not the full thing. But it's fine, we learn. Now I'm adding chicken tubes. I got two. I should have actually added one. Yeah, mistakes, but everything worked out in the end. You stir. Sana lena in next portion ingathi ngizokwenza jollof rice. So I'm adding my onion and then my red pepper. I really was convinced that, you know what, if I changed my mind, I would have just made jollof with a side of butternut cubes on the side. Yile convenience ngithatha ngayo ke lena uba baking paper saves you so much time because I'm not going to be scraping any tray. So on the mixing bit or blending bit, I generally use a jug blender and not a stick blender. But on this day, I had a meeting that I had to attend to, so I attempted using a stick blender, and it was a bit of a hassle to use at first. You can literally hear my hesitation. Also, to avoid making too much of a mess, I first blended the butternut cubes and the stock/soup situation I made before I added the coconut cream. And that is my butternut soup. I served mine with some broccoli, kale, chicken the next day. Ciao!